Ready to jump into the exciting world of Bitcoin? Let's get started with this super simple guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to create a Coinbase account by heading over to coinbase.com, click the Get Started button and fill in all your personal details to create an account. Once you've created your account, Coinbase will ask you to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve uploading a photo of your ID. Next, you'll need to add a payment method. Click on your profile, then go to Settings and then Payment Methods. You can connect your bank account, debit card, or even use PayPal, which is super convenient. Now for the fun part, click on the Buy/Sell button, select Bitcoin, and enter the amount you want to purchase. Coinbase will show you a preview of the transaction, including any fees. Make sure everything looks correct. If you're happy with the details, click the Buy Now button to complete your purchase. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.